In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the figure 8 stitch. The figure 8 stitch is the only stitch you're going to need to know for your coiled basket project. It's also what makes your basket secure and strong. As you can see, I've already switched to a new color. I'm going to wrap around my coiling material for about an inch, maybe a half inch. That looks pretty good. And once I'm ready to do the figure 8 stitch, I push these two pieces together. I make sure that my piece of string is coming up between these two pieces. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make two loops. The first loop is going to go around this piece right next to it, this blue inside piece here. So I'm going to go down and come up through the middle. All I've done is I've made a small loop around this inside piece here. I'm going to pull this tight, and now I'm going to do a loop around this outside piece here and come back to the middle. All I've done is make a loop here and a loop here. It looks like a number 8 if you look at it from the side. Once I have my stitch secure, I'm going to go ahead and continue wrapping. Once I get about an inch, I'm going to repeat the process. I'm going to push these two pieces together. I'm going to make sure that my yarn is coming up between two pieces. So it's between this blue one and this yellow one. I'm going to go down and around this blue piece first. So I'm going to go down and come back up around. So I've now made a loop around this blue piece. I'm going to make a loop around this outside white piece again, and then I'm going to continue wrapping. And this process you're just going to repeat all the way around. Once you get a little bit farther away from the center and you are no longer next to this little snail shell, instead of having to do a figure 8 stitch that goes all the way back to here, you're only going to do a figure 8 stitch that connects this outer piece to the next closest piece. And then you continue.